Dastkar Bazaar happened in Jai Mahal grounds from 29th May to 4th June. Every year I make it a point to visit the exhibit at least twice, once on the very first day to check out everything that's available, and then again if there is something that I want to pick up. But this year I just had 1 hour on the very first day and I was extremely busy. So, this is everything that I saw um, at the Dastkar Bazaar and everything that was exciting for me. The wood carving guys were right outside even before you entered the premises, and you could see a display of very beautiful and very popular wooden sculptures here. It was day one, and I was on dot opening time, and a lot of the stores were not even set up. This terracotta shop from Madhya Pradesh was one of my favorites. She was still putting things on display, and I did not buy anything here, and I regret not going back and picking up something. There was a vintage Afghan rug stall with very beautiful rugs on display. They also had quite a few of vintage hand embroidered patches. These are driftwood sculptures. I have one from several years ago. They look absolutely stunning, are made really, really well. I saw stone pottery from Pondicherry after a very, very long time at Dastakar. This granite stoneware stall was again a first time. I've never seen these guys before. beautiful stone carved utilitarian and beautiful sculptures, but terribly heavy to carry. I missed a lot of stalls this time because I had very limited time in hand, and I also missed a lot of good products, I think, because a lot of people were not fully opened and displayed when I was there. Last year there was a crazy amount of pottery, the Khurja guys. But this time I did not see so much pottery, and also it wasn't as exciting as it was last time. I'm not sure if later on the second or the third day they were able to display more stuff, but on the first day, at the first hour, there was hardly anything. If you manage to go to Dastakar and get some beautiful products, do let me know. I was not able to shop this time, and I was so bummed about it. And even this video I planned to post during the exhibit itself, but was too busy to do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.